Hello viewer, if your Instagram Reels friend option not showing in your account, let's see the solution. Open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile icon. Click on three line from the top right corner. Scroll down and find out help. Tap on help. Now click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Now include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working in your Instagram account. Now write down, hi Instagram support team, my Instagram Reels friend option not showing. Please add this option in my Instagram Reels section. Then send your report to the Instagram support team. After sending your report, please wait few hours for fixing Instagram Reels friend option not showing problem.